ClickUp Sprints tutorial, how to use ClickUp Sprints. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to use ClickUp Sprints. Then you need to create an account. The easiest way to sign up is by using your Google account. So ClickUp Sprint features enables team to plan, execute, and monitor work in enhancing productivity and collaboration. So first you have to navigate your ClickUp workspace settings. As you can see, there is this board, list, and Gantt. So if you want to choose that specific layout, you just have to click from any of this here. For me, I usually use a board because I think this one is the easiest. You just have to simply drag the task once it's finished. On the list section, you can see more layout. On the left side, you can see the following options such as home, inbox, docs, dashboards. You can see here clips, timesheets, and more. So basically, if you want to start with a template, you just have to go to dashboard. So ClickUp has these clips where you can do screen recording for teams, recording a clip, sharing and commenting. Also, it has this timesheet where you can track work hours. It will enable time tracking, logging time, viewing timesheets. So in ClickUp, a space is the highest organizational level within its workspace. So this is sample space, YouTube channel. I'm going to add my task and my members here. So you can just basically create your own name. You can add description, but this one is optional. You can also set this board to private or public. So it's up to you. So once you have created a space right here, you can now also create a sprint folder. So now in the sprint folder, you can adjust the time zone to align with your team's location. You can start time, set the specific start time for your sprints, sprint duration, choose the length of your sprints, and select the day your sprints will commence. Okay, so basically you can add a folder name here, sprint folder name, for example, task folder or task February, something like that. Now in ClickUp, there is this measuring effort. This one is essential for effective project management and accurate planning. ClickUp offers two primary methods to assess efforts such as time, estimates, and sprint points. Now, sprint settings in ClickUp allows you to customize how sprints are managed with your workspace or specific sprint folders. These settings help tailor sprint durations, start days, and other parameters to align with your team's workflow. Okay, so you can also see here automations. When sprint ends and mark sprint is done. So if you want to set up automations, just go to this section. But I think you need to upgrade your plan in order for you to unlock this feature. However, you can just use other features right here that are for free for your basic plan. Now, if you want to use a specific template here in ClickUp, so what you're going to do is you can create a new sprint folder, or you can set this create sprint. Here, you can look for that specific template. For example, if you're looking for template for marketing or like business, something like that, or you're looking for a specific template, you can just basically search it right here and then add or use this to your sprint folder. So let's just say, for example, you want to use this hard wellness challenge. You can set the time duration right here. And then after that, you can now click create. And by the way, you can also add a sprint goal and then click create. Now, what is this ClickUp sprint? So basically, the sprint is a time box period during which your team focuses on completing a specific set of tasks or objectives. This concept aligns with enabling teams to deliver incremental value and adapt to changing requirements. So why do you need to create sprint folder, and what is the advantage of this? So a sprint folder serves as a dedicated container for organizing and managing your sprints. By creating sprint folders, you can organize sprints, group related sprints together, providing a clear structure for your team's workflow. You can customize settings, you can manage tasks efficiently, you can add new tasks directly to a sprint, or move existing tasks from another or other list of sprints. You can also track progress here. So here, for example, you're going to add to-do list or to-do task. You can just basically add a task right here, and then below that specific task or to do, you can add more tasks below and you can assign this to a specific person. As you can see, we have here to do. Let's just say I have a project right here in my sprint folder, and then I'm going to add my task, and I can also basically change the layout. Just click list board. As you can see, this one is the easiest for me. The board is easiest, but this time we're going to use the list layout. So here are my tasks, and I can just basically assign someone right here. In order for you to add a person, you need to invite that person through email address. So once they have accepted your invitation, you can just add them here on your ClickUp space. So for example, this one, I'm going to assign this to a specific person. I can also set a due date. So I can tap this one, and then the calendar view will pop up. I can set the due date per task right here so that the person will be notified. Also, I can set the priority. For example, if this one is urgent, high, low, so basically I can set priority right here. And I can also add another field. So for example, if I want to add a person's email address, if I wanted to add numbers right here, if I wanted to add more information about this specific task, so you just have to go to create field, and there are tons of fields that you can choose. I'm going to add a budget per task. So I need to click create field, look for budget, and then I can add a specific budget right here. Okay, so these members will see all the information once they open this sprint folder. And you can add more field. You just have to click create field, and you can choose from any field right here and then add information. This time I added their contact number, the exact, and actually everything is up to you, so you can just basically go and then add some fields right here. Okay, so this is an example. You can add another section like to do, in progress, or done, and you can do the same thing. Create the field, assignee, priority, due date, and so on. Example, this one, to do, progress, in progress, and I did it. So everything is up to you. You can also add a template right here. If you have added a template from ClickUp, it's way easy because you just have to simply edit everything. For example, the elements, the fields that you need is already given, and all you have to do is to just simply edit that one. Okay, so by integrating sprints into your ClickUp workflow, you can achieve more organized, efficient, and adaptable project management, leading to better outcomes and higher team satisfaction. For a visual walkthrough on creating and managing sprints in ClickUp, you might find this tutorial helpful. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.